Good morning to all. Next, equation reducible to a pair of linear equation. Sometimes equations are not linear, but they can be reduced to a pair of linear equation by making some suitable substitutions. Consider one question. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. First question, 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. Next, 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Listen, given this is not linear, then we will convert it into a linear pair of linear equations. This is a fractional form, therefore first you consider, you know that 1 by 2x has 1 by 2 into 1 by x. You know that. Then we will take 1 by x as p and 1 by y as q. That is 1 by 2p plus 1 by 3q is equal to 2. And next equation, 1 by 3p plus 1 by 2q is equal to 13 by 6. Then first you consider this equation and find the LCM. You know that the LCM of 2 and 3, that is equal to 6. Then we will get 3p plus 2q whole divided by 6 is equal to 2. Transposing 6 to RHS, that becomes 6 into 2, that is equal to 12. Then next equation, that is 2p plus 3q is equal whole divided by 6, that is equal to 13 by 6. Then cross multiplying, we will get 12p plus 18q is equal to 13 into 6. 6 3s are 18, 6 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 7. That is 78. Then you know that in its common factor 6. Then that dividing throughout by that common factor, we will get 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. Then consider this 3p plus 2q is equal to 12 as the equation number 1 and 2p plus 3q as equation is equal to 13 as the equation number 2. Then using elimination method, then multiply 1 by 2, that is 6p plus 4q is equal to 24 and 2 by 3, that is 6p plus 9q is equal to 13 into 3, that is 39. This equation number 3 and this is 4. Then 3 minus 4 will get 4q minus 9q, that is minus 5q, that is equal to 24 minus 39, that is negative 15. Then q is equal to negative 15 divided by negative 5, that is equal to positive 3. Then putting these values on equation number 1, that is 3p plus 2 into 3, 6, that is equal to 12, that is 3p is equal to 12 minus 6, that is equal to 6. Then p is equal to 6 by 3, that is equal to 2. That is the value of q is equal to 3 and p is equal to 2. Then we got p as 2, then substitute this in 1 by x as 2 then 2x is equal to 1, therefore x is equal to 1 by 2, and q was 3, then 1 by y as 3, therefore 3y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, the solution x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. That's all. Next question, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. Then consider p as 1 by root x and q as 1 by root y. Therefore, consider the first one, the equation become 2p plus 3q is equal to 2, and second equation 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1. Then this equation number 1 and this as 2. Then using elimination method, then multiply first equation by 2. That's become 4p plus 3q is 6q is equal to 4. This equation number 3, and 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1. That is equation number 4. Then 3 minus 4, that is 4p minus 4p 0. Then this become plus 15q is equal to 5. Then q is equal to 5 by 15, that is equal to 1 by 3. Then putting the value of q 1 by 3 in equation number 1, that is 2 into p plus 3 into 1 by 3, that is equal to 2. That is 2p, cancelling 3 and 3, 2p plus 1, that is 2p plus 1 is equal to 2, and 2p is equal to 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1, p is equal to 1 by 2. Then putting the value of p in equation of this, that is p is equal to 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by root x. Then cross multiplying, root x is equal to 2, then x is equal to 2 square. Transpose root to RHS, that becomes square, that is equal to x is equal to 4. Then the value of q is equal to 1 by 3. Substituting this in this equation, that is q is equal to 1 by root y, that is equal to 1 by 3. Then cross multiplying, 3 is equal to root y and y is equal to 3 square, that is equal to 9. The value of x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. That's all. Next question, 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2, and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Then consider this as p as 1 by x minus 1 and q as 1 by y minus 2. Then the first equation becomes 5p plus q is equal to 2. This equation number 1. Next one, 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. This equation number 2. Then simplify using elimination method. Then multiply the first equation by 3. That's become 15p plus 3q is equal to 6. This is equation number 3. Then 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. This is equation number 4. Then adding 3 plus 4. That is equal to 15p plus 6p, that is equal to 21p is equal to 7. That is p is equal to 7 by 21, that is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, p is equal to 1 by 3. Then substitute this in equation number 1. That is 5 into 1 by 3 plus q is equal to 2. That is 5 by 3 plus q is equal to 2. Then q is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. That is 6 minus 5 whole divided by 3. That is equal to 1 by 3. P as 1 by 3 and Q as 1 by 3. Then substitute this as in equation P is equal to 1 by x minus 1. Then the value of P is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. Then cross multiplying will get x minus 1 is equal to 3. Then x is equal to 4. Then Q is equal to 1 by y minus 2. That is 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by y minus 2. That is cross multiplying y minus 2 is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. Therefore the solution x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. That's all. Next one, 7x minus 2y whole divided by xy is equal to 5 and 8x plus 7y whole divided by xy is equal to 15. This type of question we will divide each term by that xy. That is 7x by xy. That is equal to cancelling x and x. That is 7y. And minus 2y divided by xy. That is cancelling y and y will get 2 by x is equal to 5. And this equation 8x divided by xy, that is 8 divided by y plus 7y divided by xy, that is equal to cancelling y and y remaining y by x, that is equal to 15. Then consider P as 1 by x and Q as 1 by y, that is equal to 7q minus 2p is equal to 5 and 8q plus 7p is equal to 15. Consider this as equation number 1 and this as 2. Then multiplying first equation by 7. That is 49q minus 14p is equal to 7 5s are 35. This is equation number 3. Then second equation by 2. That is 16q plus 14p is equal to 15 into 2. That is equal to 30. This is equation number 4. Then adding 3 plus 4, that is equal to 49 plus 16, that is equal to 65q is equal to 65. Then q is equal to 65 divided by 65, that is equal to 1. Then substitute this q as equation number 1, that is 7 into 1 minus 2p is equal to 5, that is 7 minus 2p is equal to 5, that is minus 2p is equal to 5 minus 7, that is equal to minus 2. Then p as minus 2 divided by minus 2, that is equal to 1. Then putting the value in this, p is equal to 1 by x, that is 1 is equal to 1 by x, therefore x is equal to 1. Then q is equal to 1 by y, that is q is equal to 1 by y, that is 1 is equal to 1 by y and y is equal to 1. Therefore the values of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. That's all. Thank you.